In this video, you will learn the tree pose, or also known as Vrksasana. This pose strengthens the legs, back, and chest while improving balance and concentration. Stand straight with your feet together. Shift your weight onto the left leg. Bend your right knee and place the heel of your right foot at the root of the left thigh. Open your hips and point your right knees towards your right side. If you can't balance, you can lower your leg down. Please do not place your foot on your left knee. As you find balance, you can raise your arms all the way above your head and bring your palms together. Stay in this position for a few breaths. To release from the pose, slowly lower your arms to the sides and straighten your right leg and relax. Now change side. Lift your left leg up, left knees point outside. Slowly raise your arms up and palms together. Hold in for few breaths. To release from the pose, exhale and palms to your side.